Next up, we're working on another strings challenge. This says in the following challenge, there are three variables: first num, second num, third num, just like the previous challenge. This time each has an integer. Again, same thing. Or last time it was a string. This time it's an integer. And this time it wants to concatenate the numbers and turn the result back into an integer for the final assignment to the variable final num. And we're given this starter code here. So let's go ahead and get started. We know, right? Maybe the first thing that some people might be thinking is, oh, we're doing string concatenation. I could just do this, right? Let's actually copy this code. Let's jump on over to our VS Code terminal. Let's put this in here. And then let's go ahead, let's print this final num and see how that goes. And if I clear my output, it looks like it added them together, right? I'm expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but I got 1,368. So that's just adding them together. If I want to concatenate them, right, then maybe I can be a little tricky and I can first turn each of them to a string. So if I turn each of them to a string as such, and then I go ahead and I print that, right? Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if I print the type of this, right, it tells me that it's still a string. And I was very specifically told that the final solution should be in terms of an integer. So let's take this whole expression and surround the whole thing with an integer. The integer function, int, and a set of parentheses, and just parse whatever this concatenation comes into back into an integer. And now if I run my file, I can see this is an integer. I think this is what it's looking for. Let me go ahead and jump on over here and let's plug this in. Go ahead and give it a test, see if that works. And we can see that we are in good shape.